Are you ready to turn your Instagram into a money-making machine without ever showing your face or saying a word? Whether you're someone struggling on the online ecosystem without results, an unemployed, or a working class seeking for extra income, or someone looking for financial stability, or a student balancing studies and side hustles, we've got the blueprint for you. Imagine making $100,000 a year from Instagram, without showing your face, without talking, and without any experience. Sounds crazy? Well, it's 100% possible, and today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it step by step. This works even if you're a complete beginner, unemployed, or just looking for passive income. So grab a pen, and let's get started. Smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on my money-making strategies.
Before we dive into the method, here's what you need to have. A smartphone, any decent phone works. Free tools, which I'll reveal in a moment. 30 minutes a day to post and scale your earnings. One exciting thing about this is you don't need followers, experience, or even your own videos. I'll show you how to use AI and trending content to automate your reels and start making money within weeks. The next important step is choosing a viral Instagram Reels niche.
To make serious money, you need a niche with high engagement and monetization potential. Here are 3 perfect faceless niches. Number 1 is luxury and motivation, videos of luxury cars, success quotes, and motivational speeches. Number 2 is facts and storytelling, interesting historical facts, mysteries, and AI-generated stories. Number 3 is side hustles and business ideas, reposting short clips of business advice and finance tips. Now, let's find viral content and turn it into our own Instagram Reels in minutes. Instead of creating videos from scratch, we'll leverage viral content. Here's how. Go to TikTok or YouTube Shorts and search for viral, your niche videos. Use a free tool like Snaptic or YouTube to download videos without watermarks. Use CapCut or VN Editor to trim, add text, and make it unique. The next step is editing and posting viral reels. Now, let's make these videos 100% original so we can monetize them legally. To avoid copyright issues and make your videos stand out, let's do this. Step 1. Add subtitles using CapCut. Text on screen boosts engagement. Step 2. Use a different background sound. Instagram's royalty-free music works best. Step 3. Change the format slightly, zoom in, add filters, or change the video speed. Once done, post 3 to 5 reels per day using viral hashtags like #motivation, #money, #success. Let's move on to the next step, which is the monetizing our reels and scaling to $100,000. Now let's talk money. Here's how to turn your faceless Instagram Reels into serious income. Instagram Reels Bonus Program. Earn directly from views if eligible. Affiliate marketing. Promote digital products and make commissions. Sponsored posts. Brands will pay you for shoutouts once you gain followers. Sell your own digital product, ebooks, courses, or coaching. Here's the secret. Focus on growing your page to 10,000 plus followers, and brands will start reaching out to you. And that's it. Party popper, if you follow these steps, you can start earning within weeks and scale to $100,000 a year. Now, I have a special bonus for you. Drop a comment below saying, "I'm ready," and I'll send you my secret list of high-paying Instagram affiliate programs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more money-making content. See you in the next video.